Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled to find a mascara that delivers both volume and length without clumping, you're not alone. Today, we're looking at the L'Oréal Paris Voluminous Mascara Waterproof in black. This mascara promises bold, dramatic lashes with up to 20x more volume and 2x longer lashes, all in one coat. If you're tired of mascaras that flake or feel heavy on your lashes, you might just want to stick around for this review. First off, let's talk about the basics. This mascara comes in a sleek tube, which is easy to hold and apply. It's waterproof, so if you're someone who deals with smudging or watery eyes, that's a major win. The formula is designed to add volume, length, and thickness to your lashes with just one coat. Plus, it's infused with intense black pigments, which give that deep, dramatic look without the need for multiple layers. When it comes to the texture of the product, it's smooth and not too thick, so it glides on easily without feeling sticky. The formula is also designed to condition your lashes, leaving them soft and supple instead of dry or brittle. I didn't experience any clumping, which is a huge plus in my book, especially since so many volumizing mascaras can get heavy and leave your lashes looking spidery. Now, onto the application. The volume maximizing brush is uniquely shaped to ensure even coverage. It worked well in lifting and separating my lashes, giving them a full, bold look. I didn't have to go over my lashes multiple times to get the desired effect. One coat gave me dramatic volume without feeling too heavy. On the flip side, I did find that it takes a bit more effort to remove at the end of the day. While that's a given for a waterproof formula, it might be something to keep in mind if you're not a fan of heavy-duty removers. In terms of performance, the L'Oréal Paris Voluminous Mascara definitely lives up to its claims. It held up well throughout the day without smudging or flaking, even after a full day of wear. My lashes stayed lifted and bold, and they didn't feel stiff or uncomfortable. So is this mascara worth the money? For its price point, I'd say yes. It delivers on its promises of volume, length, and softness without clumping, and the waterproof formula ensures longevity. If you're someone who prioritizes ease of application, performance, and a natural but bold look, this is a great option to consider. Now, if you're looking for something similar, but at a different price point, you might also want to check out Maybelline's Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara. It has a similar volumizing effect, though the L'Oréal version might provide slightly more length. In terms of build quality, the tube is sturdy, and the wand is easy to maneuver. The formula lasts a long time in the tube without drying out, which means you'll get consistent results from start to finish. If you've used the L'Oréal Paris Voluminous Mascara Waterproof, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you love it? Or do you have a favorite mascara that works even better for you? Thanks so much for tuning into Beautyistic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. The link to grab this mascara is in the comments. And as always, stay beautiful inside and out.